Hi, welcome to Totally Promotional. This video highlights our 0.33 ounce custom hand sanitizer spray with Carabiner Cap. Promote wellness and your brand while on the go with this custom hand sanitizer spray. Select from a variety of Carabiner caps to match your business or event. The Carabiner Cap can be attached to a purse or book bag, making sure your hand sanitizer is always in reach. Your full-color logo will be digitally printed on a clear or white label. These convenient-to-use spray hand sanitizers come in a clean citrus scent or our popular unscented option. Hand these out at your next open house or trade show. To learn more about our 0.33 ounce custom hand sanitizer spray with Carabiner Cap, view the product details or call for assistance.